Hey, what's up everybody? How are you doing today? Thank you guys for joining me. If you are new here, my name is Tobias. Welcome to another Microphone Monday. And today I'm actually not reviewing a microphone. I'm reviewing a microphone isolation shield. And the isolation shield that I have right here, it's by the brand XTUGA. They sent me this for free, so I'm gonna make a video reviewing it. So it actually looks like this isolation shield comes in two different versions. There is the A-Burner Pro, which goes for $59.99, and then there is the B-Burner, which goes for $36.99. So it looks like I have the A-Burner because my isolation shield has 5 panels, and it looks like the B-Burner only comes with 3 panels. And I will go ahead and put these Amazon pages down in the description of this video in case you want to check those out for yourself. And if you do take a look at the Amazon page, you might see in the title that it says comes with pop filter. However, mine didn't come with a pop filter, and I actually don't think it's meant to come with a pop filter because if you look at the pictures, none of the pictures have a pop filter in it. So I just wanted to mention that really quick. And what I'm going to do now is I'll go ahead and show you guys the unboxing of this isolation shield, and I'll show you guys what comes inside the box. And as you can see inside the box, it comes with the 5 panels, the hardware, an Allen wrench, and a screwdriver. So there is some assembly required, and after I figured it out, it didn't take me too long to put together. And it also comes with the hardware so that you can mount the isolation shield on top of a microphone stand. And some people are probably going to want to know if you can mount it on top of a boom arm stand like the one that I'm using right here in front of me. And the answer is yes, you can attach it to any standard mic stand attachment. However, I tried it with my boom arm stand, which is the Toner T20 boom arm stand, and the isolation shield was too heavy for my boom arm stand to hold it up. So I do think that it is meant to be used with regular microphone stands, which I will try it out on in a minute. And really quick guys, in case anybody is curious, the microphone that I'm using in this video is the Audio-Technica AT4040. It's pretty much my go-to mic. It's the best mic that I own. I'll go ahead and put a link to this microphone down in the description below in case you want to check that out for yourself. And just really quick, another cool thing about the XTUGA isolation shield is that it has little feet on the bottom of it so you can sit it on top of a desk. Now the best feature about the XTUGA isolation shield is that all the panels are adjustable. Even the tops of the panels are adjustable, and you can create more or less coverage around your microphone. And the idea behind these isolation shields is that they'll help minimize background noise, help prevent reflections while you're recording, and to help reduce the influence that your surroundings might have on your recording. And I actually do have another isolation shield that I bought about 10 years ago from Guitar Center, and it cost around $90. So it was a bit more expensive than this XTUGA isolation shield. And don't get me wrong, it has served me very well over the years, and I've had a good experience with it. But as you can see, you can't adjust the shape of it, and it's just one solid piece. It even has this opening in the bottom middle of it, and then at the top of it, you don't even have those panels that fold in. So I feel like with my old isolation shield, you're not getting as much coverage or isolation as you do with this XTUGA isolation shield. So next I want to go ahead and set it up on a mic stand, and we'll test it out, and we'll see if we can tell any kind of difference between when I'm using it and when I'm not using it. Okay guys, so now I'm using the XTUGA isolation shield with my microphone. Let's go ahead and see how it sounds. So I have it closed around the microphone fairly tightly, I would say. I'm roughly, I would say I'm probably about 6 inches away from the microphone. Let me go ahead and make my way around. I'm going to walk around the shield, and we'll see how well it keeps my voice from reaching the microphone. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's still gonna pick it up a bit, but I bet it'll make a difference. Let's see if it makes a difference to when I don't have the shield on. I'm gonna go ahead and put my headphones on right now so I can hear how it sounds. But I mean, for the most part, it sounds pretty dead. Even when I talk to the left and the right of the microphone, you know, that audio is not really bouncing back. Okay guys, so this is how the microphone sounds without the isolation shield. I didn't change any settings or anything. Everything should be exactly the same. I just took away the shield. I'm gonna go ahead and walk around the microphone and let's see how the audio compares to when we had the shield on. And now I'm coming back around to the front of the microphone. I'm gonna put on my headphones now so I could hear it as well. Yeah, let's go ahead. Try to listen to see if you notice anything different with this audio compared to the audio we recorded with the shield. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go onto my computer, I'm going to listen to the audio that I just recorded, and I'm going to try to listen to see if I heard anything. Alright guys, so I just finished listening to that audio that I just recorded, where I was comparing the microphone with and without the isolation shield, and I just got to say guys, I listened to it with my headphones, I listened to it on my monitors here, and honestly, I couldn't tell that much of a difference. And I think the reason is that when I'm recording in here, the audio that I get isn't that bad. Like, I imagine that you might hear more of a difference in a room that maybe had less furniture or was just a more of an empty room. Then I think you might hear more of a difference. And even with my old isolation shield that I have back here, the only times that I ever really used it was when I was not on camera. If I'm talking on a microphone on camera, I'm not using an isolation shield, but say like I'm recording a song or something like that, then I'll go ahead and bring out the isolation shield and I'll use it. So if you do have a room that you are recording in and you're not really happy with how the acoustics are making your recording sound, then yeah, I would say definitely get an isolation shield. It might help you out. And considering that this isolation, that crack noise was when you snap this, it makes that noise. But this isolation shield, considering that it's only $56.99, I think that's a pretty good deal because, like I said earlier, the one that I already had back here, that one was like $90 if I remember correctly. So it was kind of expensive. If you can pick one of these up for around 50-60 bucks, I think that's a really good deal. If you're picking up some weird echoes in your recordings or something like that, this thing will probably help you out. So once again guys, I will have the link to this isolation shield down in the description below in case you want to check that out. If you did like this video or if it helped you out, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. If you would like to see more videos by me in the future, I upload new microphone videos every Monday. I call it Microphone Mondays. I also upload on Wednesdays and Fridays. Different kinds of content. On Fridays, I always upload like aquarium or pond content. I upload a bunch of different stuff here on my channel. And I just want to mention really quick, I just launched a new reaction channel where I will be reacting to videos. And this is actually my second reaction channel. My first reaction channel is called Tobias Reacts, and on that channel I'm reacting to like Spanish songs and I'm speaking in Spanish. If that sounds like something that you might be interested in, I'll leave the link to that down in the description below as well. And my new reaction channel, that's completely in English. If you guys want to check that out, I'll put the link down in the description below as well. If you would like to follow me on Instagram, I'll go ahead and put my handle right here. It's @YT_Tobias, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Peace.